Who's that?
It's a camera. Daddy's filming you.
Here's Matilda.
Parrot.
And a frog.
And a frog.
Yeah.
And a
Monkey and a bird and a frog.
yeah.
A monkey and a frog and what else?
Monkey.
I said monkey. A monkey and a frog and what else?
What's the third thing? What's the other one? Monkey? Frog?
Parrot.
Parrot, that's right.